Yes, if that's what you want to call it. But this is gonna cost you another diamond. Rescues aren't part of the usual tourist package.
So, how are we gonna get down?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know yet.
Please, Astrid.
I'm thinking about it, all right?
You scaled a 1,000-foot tower of ice, and you don't know how to get down?
Of all the ungrateful. Look, if you'd rather take your chances on your own, that can be arranged.
The sun is in his hands!
No, it's fire. Where did it come from?
So, what do we have to work with? Ropes.
No.
Grappling hooks?
Yeah, no.
Your swords?
Hey, I've got this.
Oh, great. He can pick his teeth when he's done with us.
Yeah, okay. See, in the hands of an expert, a good knife has 1,001 uses.
Oh, what a cute little dog.
Oh, hey, stay back! Ta-da!
Hey, it's biting me!
Doc!
No, stop! Please, please, I'm only 9! Ah, they're biting me! Let me! Let's go! I think we lost him!
I don't think so!
Heads down! You're a terrible driver! Who are you people?
Yep, there they are.
Stop!
There. Just as I planned.
It's Marina!
We thought you were gone forever.
Oh, I'm fine, really. But I'm touched by your concern.
Tear them apart.
Looks like magic. It smells like food.
Where are my feet?
They're still there.